आपका कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप
2034 में एलन मस्क बोलते भी डोंट हैव टू वर्क, तो क्या लगता है ये ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए कोई थ्रेट है आगे आने वाले टाइम में?
जैकपॉट.
सो निहारिका जी, अपार्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग, आपका कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप चाहते हो करना, लाइक वो आपको बस मिलना चाहिए?
I wouldn't say dream project because
Okay.
every project is like a dream for me
Yeah.
coming true.
Yeah.
Seeing it come true is
Correct.
that satisfaction level is different. But yes, I do really enjoy working with industrial architecture where you have machines and humans coming together at different stages and scales, and there are processes that is happening. So there was a furnace that I was working in where there was some amount of metal that is getting melted, then it is poured into something, then it is
Oh wow,
taking a
interesting.
shape into something else. So that entire process and the entire space
Okay.
that had to be designed for it.
Okay.
So I think that is something which I really get interested in, and it is challenging because every factory that you go to has different machineries and different kind of functions. So that is what I'm looking forward to
Okay.
more
So you have
in
done
the
this
future.
industrial
Yes.
kind of work.
You never know, after this podcast you're going to get like number of calls for this industrial
Industrial,
project
yeah,
after
yeah,
this.
yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah.
So, Niharika ji, scaling a service business is very hard. How do you ensure that when Arcade Plus takes 10 projects simultaneously, the quality doesn't drop? What system have you built?
So we have a very basic system. We don't go around to beating the bush. We have a team call in the morning where at the moment we are three, so three of us sit and discuss what we're doing throughout the day. By the end of the day, we have a call again to see what the progress is, if anybody has any issues, or if they want to come back and, if they have questions or if they've gotten stuck somewhere. Once they finish their set of drawing, it comes back to me where I check it. And then if I need to outsource something, we have somebody who is there with us for the outsourcing collaboration part of it also. And then again, the drawings come back to us and then we sit down with the clients. So it's a simple process where I'm just trying to develop more with the software part of it because there is so many softwares in the industry and you just don't know which one to work with. And if you probably know the software, it's not necessary that the person you're hiring knows it. Or if the person knows it, they want a better pay and scale and everything. So it's like on a very low key way to build it up right now. But yes, the future of architecture is in BIM modeling. So that is what I'm looking at with my firm as well. And the people who've been working with me, and I've tried to train them as much as possible. And I guess a lot of industrial people who are there in the market are trying to educate more of the architects with this in the future.
What is your average ticket size, like
So,
minimum to maximum? What you have done till now from
okay,
that?
we start from 3, go about to 15
Lakhs or crores?
lakhs.
Okay. 11.
Okay, so talking about the software, Niharika ji, nowadays we have this AI coming. Okay.
Right.
So you get many like apps of AI where you can just click a photo and get the interiors done. So what do you think? Is it like beneficial in your field, or is this a threat to your profession?
It is a very complex situation with AI coming into the market. Definitely, things have become easier when you want to look at 3Ds or take out renders or plan a space or probably. But at the end of the day, it is something that you need to give a prompt to. So until and unless your prompt is given correctly, you cannot get the correct output. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम जो prompt दे वो हमें whatever we want is coming out of it. So eventually you have to do some edits on it
Okay.
over and above.
So the designs we get from AI, are they like realistic, or बस ऐसे ही होते हैं वो to look good?
सेम चीज हो गया ना, जो आप Pinterest पे इमेजेस देख
Yeah.
रहे हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो कोई साइट का इमेज हो,
Because
वो
कितने
AI
स्क्वायर फीट है,
generated.
कितने क्या है, वो तो आप
Exactly.
फोटो में
So
नहीं
वो आप
समझ
फोटो में
पाते
नहीं
हो.
समझ सकते हो. So there are certain industries which cannot run on AI.
Yeah.
Like we don't have robots doing our site. So
Correct.
human power is needed there.
Correct.
So in the similar manner, certain things can be taken care of using AI,
Okay.
but a lot of it has to be done manually as well.
Great.
आ,
Superb.
इस पे मेरा भी एक सवाल है। एआई बहुत इवॉल्व कर रहा है जो कि अभी, और रोबोट्स भी हम देखने वाले हैं साल 2 साल में बहुत। 2034 में एलन मस्क बोलते वी डोंट हैव टू वर्क। एंड आप जो प्रॉम्प्ट की बात किए, कुछ ऐसे भी डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं जो कि आपके ब्रेन के साथ अटैच हो जाएगा और वो प्रॉम्प्ट्स भी बना देगा। तो क्या लगता है ये ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए कोई थ्रेट है आगे आने वाले टाइम में?
So there was a series I watched a couple of years back called The Black Mirror, where technology. They talk about technology having its pros and cons.
Yeah.
So if we become so dependent on technology, अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले संजय जी के साथ बैठे हुए थे, and he was talking about human depth and living and मोक्ष and all of that. अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी पे इतने डिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे तो हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस की ज़रूरत क्या है फिर, राइट? सो या तो हम वो काल्की वाले फेज में चले जाए, where everything is become robotic. There is no exchange other than वो जो भी
Yeah.
coin system और bitcoins की तरह वो transfer system manage कर रहे हैं. But I don't see that happening anytime soon. There is always going to be a prevalence of human society. So
Okay.
it is up to you how much you can make or break using AI.
Okay.
But don't become too dependent is what I would like to say.
But being an young like founder, building a team, आज के सारे team members तो Gen Z होंगे, so how do you deal with them? Like, are they very hard to work with, or they just want like an aesthetic photo for their Instagram reel? What do you think?
Uh, Generally, I would say that that generation has become a lot all about screens. Even we have.
Yeah.
We are also not Gen Zs, but we are towards the Gen Z वाला
Yeah.
millennials.
Yeah.
So हमें भी screen देखना पसंद है. ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर screen नहीं हो तो हम अपने आप को entertain करके नहीं रख सकते. That is where the catch is. Like you need to learn to live without the screens also. So I think when it comes to architecture, it's not possible कि मैं photo दिखाया और वो label exact चीज copy कर पाए. I have to explain it
You
to him
have
on
to
site.
be with them all the
Exactly. I
time.
have to give him the measurements. I have to ensure that he does the same thing on
Okay.
site. And how is he going to execute it?
Okay.
Right?
Superb. Okay.
हाँ, तो वो आप AI का वीडियो दे दोगे,
हाँ, तो
उसको
वैसे
install
workout
तभी भी
नहीं
नहीं
होने
होता
वाला
है
है.
वो.
Okay.
Because they are not that learned.
Yeah.
They might be skilled, but they're not that learned to understand everything
Yeah.
from a video.
Correct. Correct.
अगले 5 साल में आप निहारिका भगत जी को कहाँ देखती हैं?
Definitely with a couple of bungalows more done.
Wow.
Because I genuinely enjoy doing bungalows more because it gives me more design freedom to come up with something different, or coming up with the client specifications compared to buildings. I'm not very keen on the commercial architecture for now, maybe in the future, but yeah, doing clubhouses,
Oh wow. Okay.
doing industries, doing bungalows is where my calling is. And yeah, hopefully 5 years down the line, we'll be doing a podcast the other way around.
Very nice.
Oh wow. Okay.
एक हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन, अगर आप आज 18 साल की 18 इयर्स में वापस बैक टू चले
Okay.
जाते हैं, जस्ट इमेजिन, और ये प्रोफेशन नहीं चूज करना है आपको,
Okay.
तो दूसरा कौन सा प्रोफेशन जो आप चूज करना चाहेंगी? आप 18 की हैं अभी.
I think back to aerodynamics and doing aeronautical engineering.
Wow.
I think that was one of the major reasons I was very happy in my college, because I had friends who were in in aeronautical engineering, industrial engineering. They were medical students also. So I got like a wholesome experience over here, and I always would sit with them and understand what they are learning. So that would give me like a एक अपना तो आप सीख ही रहे हो, क्लास जाते ही हो, बट उनके साथ बात करके उनकी बातें भी सुन के ना, it gives you more experience about things, like your perspective about that field also changes. So
Great.
So now we'll
Yeah.
start rapid fire round. You start.
So Niharika ji, just tell me, maximalism or minimalism? Which
Minimalism.
one? Okay, great.
Very fast.
One major design trend that needs to die immediately.
Uh, Unnecessary hoarding of spaces with furniture.
Okay. Okay. What is a bigger design crime? Fake plants or terrible lighting?
Fake plans.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. What is the most underrated, neglected room in a typical home?
I think the toilet spaces.
They can be built up more beautiful.
Not more beautiful, but that is a space why there is a lot of negative energy as per
Hmm.
Vastu as well. So, how you can clean that energy and keep the toilets clean is very
Okay.
important. A lot of people forget that, and they leave the toilets in an unhygienic situation, or they don't
Even
have
the
people coming and cleaning it, or
okay.
they don't clean it themselves. I believe like it is a very good practice to do. If you want to clean
Yeah,
your
yeah.
own toilet, you should do it yourself. Why do you need extra help for it?
Mm-hmm.
But toilets are one spaces which are very neglected. And the other thing is a very contrary one, which is the मंदिर. मतलब आप घर के जगह को अगर spiritual zone बना रहे हो और उसे सिर्फ 10 मिनट दे रहे हो तो वो बाकी 23 घंटे के लिए neglected है. So there has to be certain connect that happens there. हम modern बच्चे भूल जाते हैं कि हमें जाके दिया बाती करना है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स
Yeah.
करते थे एंड दे वुड ऑलवेज से कि कुछ नहीं तो भगवान जी को एक फल का भोग लगा दो. सो
Correct.
वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हम शायद भूल जाते हैं अगर हम घर पे नहीं हैं एंड वी टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. बट
Mm-hmm.
दीज टू स्पेसेस कैन बी बैलेंस्ड वेल.
Vastu wise
बाकी
also?
हाँ एंड बाकी ये तो आप अपने रूम में रहते ही हो.
Yeah,
आप
correct.
उसकी एनर्जी को अब्जॉर्ब भी करते हो और उसे रिटर्न भी करते हो.
Correct.
अगर आप केओटिक रूम में रहोगे आपको मन नहीं करेगा गंदा हो
Correct.
गया रूम यार
Correct.
साफ करो अभी
Absolutely.
क्या.
Beautiful but uncomfortable or comfortable but boring.
I would say comfortable but boring.
Yeah.
Because if you're talking in the terms of a house, because
Yeah.
you come back home for comfort, you don't
I
come
swear.
for beauty.
Yeah, yeah,
You've
yeah.
got the beauty out in the world. So come
Okay.
back home, sit comfortably, be at peace.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, the next
comfort and
question.
function, I would say,
Yeah, okay.
rather than boring.
Okay, so the next question is your absolute favorite material or texture to work with.
Favorite material or texture to work with?
Yeah. You have to be quick.
I don't have something in particular
But
about
if you
this,
need to
but
choose one.
I really like playing around with natural stones and marbles. So a
Lovely.
different way of using them in different possible manners
Great.
and yeah.
Okay. So wallpaper or custom paint? Which one you'll choose?
I would suggest for the humidity and the conditions of Calcutta,
Okay.
texture paint.
Texture paint. What is the single best color palette for a small space?
Anything on the lighter tones.
Okay. If you were not a designer, what you would be?
Like I
Same,
said,
yeah.
aeronautical
I
engineer.
don't know. Can you sum up your personal design style in exactly 3 words?
I think minimalist,
Okay.
neutral shades,
Yeah.
and function over aesthetics.
Niharika ji, I have also some set of rapid fire round. Managing an angry labor contractor versus managing a confused husband wife client duo. Who is tougher?
I would say managing the labor would be my preference because उनको मुझे 4-5 प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए रखना है.
Yeah.
बट वो हस्बैंड वाइफ को मैं बोलूंगी आप अपने बीच में थोड़ा संभाल लो. मैं आती हूँ लेबर को देख के बिकॉज दे एजुकेटेड पीपल दे बी एबल टू हैंडल अपने
Right.
अपने आप को
Happy
संभाल के
रहना
आ
है
जाओ.
after all तो.
आप लोग अपने आप को संभालो मैं लेबर को संभाल के आती हूँ.
Right.
I have this very funny thing which I practice with my neighbors. They are like my children. My client is like my parents.
Okay.
So when your neighbor is like your child, you have days when I'm sitting with them, having tea with them, having fun with them, and then there are days when I'll scold them also if they're not doing their work. And my client's like my parent. I have to respect them irrespective of whatever they say to me.
Great.
Super.
An office space with zero sunlight but high rent versus a spacious office in an uncool location.
I don't understand an uncool location in your question.
I mean to say, like, you have to choose one from the verses.
Okay.
I will repeat the question again. An office space with zero sunlight but high rent versus a spacious office in an uncool location?
I would say for my profession, being in the correct location is very important because we're not allowed to market ourselves really much if you go by the code books. But nowadays, it's all uh, over the place, however you say it, because visibility se kaam aata hai. So I would say I would rather be out there on the main roads rather than being in a corner. So that is one of the major reasons why I'm still hunting for an office space in Calcutta.
Okay. If you could delete one software from the face of the earth, which would it be? AutoCAD or SketchUp?
I am nobody to delete softwares
If you had an
from the
option.
face
If
of
you're
the
given the
earth,
power,
but
then
I would prefer using CAD over SketchUp because
Yeah.
CAD has the power to do it from 2D to 3D, and it is the most prevalent software from the longest times that has been
Yeah.
used, and it gives you minutest details till decimal points. So I think CAD
Okay.
is my preference.
Okay. One thing about the builder architect dynamic that nobody says out loud on camera.
I think it's a very collaborative relationship. Like a builder cannot function without an architect cannot function without the builder. But there is a client who is the third party. Okay.
Yes.
So there is a lot of khichdi that happens on the board table and everything. But definitely, you have to find the right architect to gain your trust and become the team in the future.
Okay. Money, fame, or designing a structure that outlives you. What drives Niharika Bhagat?
So I say time is
Money, fame,
money.
or designing? Yeah.
Time is money. However, I manage my time, my money is going to come back to me. When it comes to fame, I call it a forbidden fruit. खाए तो पछताए ना खाए तो पछताए so I leave it on God,
Okay.
whatever comes my way. And I would rather say my driving force is always meeting new people because when I hear stories from people, it inspires me to build something for them, by them, and for the community also.
Okay.
Like I've done a couple of projects for the Navy officers and in the oil rigs, and it gave me a very different exposure because you usually don't get access to these places. So when you do, I'm like, if I can do my bit for the nation, then why not?
Super.
Right.
Very nice.
The most overrated design material in India right now.
Oh, I think every market is very infiltrated. Like you have brands coming in, surviving, dying, trying to oversell themselves and everything. But
The most overrated design material in
the
India.
most overrated,
You have to be fast.
I would say plywood.
Okay.
Because it's becoming so processed and there've become so many grades of plywood. Then uh, every company is coming up with like 7 8 names of plywood. ये गोल्ड है, ये प्लैटिनम है, ये सिल्वर है, और ये इसका है, उसके लिए ब्रांड्स है, छोड़ दीजिए उन पे, आप अपने ब्रांड को अपने स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट के लिए रखें, उस नीश कैटेगरी के लिए रखें. When they're going to, so they're like trying to be all over the place.
Okay.
Recently, I saw a plywood company who is making plywoods from the waste of plastic materials.
हाँ, so that
He
is a
has done the
development.
innovation. He was from the plywood industry.
Yeah, that is a development, and it's a very good thing to
Right,
happen,
right.
right? Even now, there rice husk is being used to
Yeah.
make
Yes,
furniture.
Right,
yes,
right,
yes.
It has its pros and cons.
Right.
आज के दिन में हर चीज़ का pros and cons है. अभी मेरे साथ एक छोटा सा experience I'll share. We all are going towards using bamboo as a product for paper and everything. There was this one day when I ordered for the bamboo tissue from Blinkit, and it came with white ants on it. It is, again, those tissues are for hygiene purpose, and now if it has white ants on it, what is the point of it?
Yeah.
The hygiene is getting killed right there. So these are things that have to be taken to address too, and I guess जो इस लाइन में है वो उसको देख रहा है, तो जो आपको सूट करे वो बेटर है. प्लाईवुड जैसे पहले के जो क्वालिटी के वुड थे वो आज हमें प्लाईवुड में नहीं मिलता है. सो
Correct.
if I'm getting a site where there is furniture which has been done from the teak wood or say shisham or pure wood that was used in the earlier time. I try to use that again into the furniture rather than using the new age plywood that is available.
One piece of advice to a Gen Z entrepreneur who wants to build a brand like Arcade Plus.
I would say the brand game is very complicated. आप brand तो बना सकते हो लेकिन आप उसे persistently कितने time तक चला सकते हो is up to you. So don't run behind creating a brand name. Run behind what is the right way to create a brand.
Okay.
आज के टाइम पे हम 100 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट करके एक ब्रांड क्रिएट कर दिया लेकिन उस ब्रांड का कोई वैल्यूएशन और सर्विस नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग द ब्रांड, राइट? आप प्रोडक्ट यूएसपी versions में देखोगे it's a different thing, but in the service sector it is totally on how you are providing and what you're providing to your client. It is not a product based industry. So branding is something which is not very important in the service industry. It is your clientele, your feedback, which is more valuable rather than creating a brand.
Okay, the last question. Complete the sentence. If a client says budget issue nahi hai, it usually means.
Jackpot.
Very nice one, very nice
Very
one.
nice. Nicely said.
And बहुत fast.
Yeah.
तो जाते जाते आप थोड़ा बताइए ऑडियंस को आपको कैसे कांटेक्ट करे और कैसा लगा आपको पॉडकास्ट और आपको फॉलो कैसे करे और क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप
To all
हिंदुस्तान
those new entrepreneurs who want to
Right.
get into this industry,
For all the viewers and
some
audience.
tips if you want to share.
I would say there is a lot of exposure and opportunities in the world, but finding the right opportunity for yourself and what is your calling is what matters. So I could have also probably opted out and done jobs, but that was not my calling. I'm not a 9 to 5 person. I like to work at my ease, at my own hours and timing. So that is where my creativity function in the night hours. So I would want the night hours to be more functional for me, but I leave it on to people to take that up. And I think Gen Zs are also very they want everything with their instinct.
Yeah.
अभी क्या अभी चाहिए, इतनी जल्दी चीजें नहीं बनती है, आपको उसे टाइम देना होता है. You have to be persistent and consistent, and sometimes lazy work and smart work also works. So when you're an opportunist, lazy and smart working also works. So I would say कि हाँ, जहाँ ज़रूरत है वहाँ consistent रहिए और जहाँ पर नहीं है वहाँ पे smart work भी करिए. Take the help of AI where required, and where you don't want it, take a step back and do basic things also. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप उस पर dependent हो जाओ.
Okay. So दोस्तों, this was निहारिका भगत जी. बायो में हमने इनका लिंक शेयर किया हुआ है. You can follow her and also नंबर भी शेयर है. जेन्युइन इंक्वायरीज के लिए ज़रूर फ़ोन करें, टाइम पास के लिए नहीं. और इसी से हम आज का एपिसोड रैप अप करते हैं. मैं हूँ लक्ष्यराज देवगुरु जायसवाल और ये है शो की होस्ट लवन्या जायसवाल. एंड फॉलो निहारिका भगत जी ऑल्सो.
Thank you so
एंड
much.
कमेंट
guys.
में ज़रूर लिखें कि अगला पॉडकास्ट आप किसका देखना चाहते हैं. हम ज़रूर लाएंगे उन्हें. और चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.
Thank
इंडिया
you.
राइज द नेक्स्ट डे.